guys now have done the pieces of the arm. For a chest roll, which is all the way around, full arm across your chest, down the other arm, what you need to learn now is this linking from this side to the other side. So try and roll the ball back and forth across right here below your neckline, so that if you go up, you can go all the way back down. That's a chest roll. Easier if you keep your body flat. So it's like you're pushing against it a little bit the whole way around. But if you have basketball skills, you know that already. Practice, practice, practice. Baton twirlers will step in a circle so that you're exerting force on it the whole time that you're stepping.